Lag spikes in Rocket League can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and gameplay experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag spikes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections tend to be more stable and can reduce latency compared to Wi-Fi, which is prone to interference. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or processing power. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to improve performance. Reducing visual effects can help your system run the game more smoothly, which may reduce lag spikes during gameplay. Step 5. Change server region. In the game settings, check your server region and switch to a server that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce ping and improve your overall connection to the game. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy playing Rocket League.